Today, I'll show you how to use GitHub Wiki. GitHub Wiki is a documentation section that comes with many GitHub repositories. You can use it to create guides, set up instructions, project notes, API documentation, FAQs, changelogs, or internal team documentation. First, open GitHub and log in to your account. Now go to the repository where you want to use the wiki. At the top of the repository page, look for the Wiki tab. Click Wiki. If the repository does not have a wiki yet, GitHub will show an option to create the first page. Click Create the First Page. Now enter a page title. For example, you can name it Home, Installation Guide, Project Setup, or API Documentation. Next, write your content in the editor. GitHub Wiki supports Markdown, so you can use headings, bullet points, numbered steps, links, code blocks, and images. For example, use headings to separate sections like Overview, Requirements, Installation, Usage, and Troubleshooting. After writing the page, scroll down and add a short commit message. For example, write Add Project Setup Guide, then click Save Page. Your wiki page is now published. To create another page, click New Page. Give it a clear title and add the documentation content. You can link pages together by adding Markdown links between them. If you need to edit a page later, open the wiki page and click Edit. Make your changes, add a commit message, and save again. You can also view page history to see previous changes. If the wiki tab is missing, the repository owner may need to enable wikis in the repository settings. And that's it. You now know how to use GitHub Wiki. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.